Hello guys, good morning everyone. Brand new day on day 2 of our Chitrakote Odisha tour. Today I'll be heading towards Chitrakote Waterfalls and it is about 126 kilometers from here. I'll try to come back by 2:30 and yeah.
So hello, good morning. We are starting the ride. Now we'll be heading towards the NH26 and we'll be traveling towards Jagdalpur. This is NH26. The road is kind of okayish. Can't trust. Everything is written in Oriya, man. How can someone like me read? Vast lands of Odisha. Few more minutes I'll be near Chhattisgarh border. So we are out of Jeypore and we are heading towards Jagdalpur. Roads are good as of now. Wow, what a location, man. What a beautiful scene. Superb. Time is 10:30 and we are about 100 kilometers away from reaching our destination. Already we are blessed to see what a beautiful scenes, man. So ఎవరైనా ఒరిస్సా ట్రావెల్ చేయాలనుకుంటే మాన్సూన్స్ ఆర్ ద బెస్ట్. ఇలాంటి వ్యూస్ దొరుకుతాయి. Two roads ఉన్నాయి, అటొకటి ఇటొకటి. So this is a Y junction. If you are going from Jeypore towards Jagdalpur, we have to take a left. So this town is Boriguma. I think some national park ఏదో ఉంది ఇక్కడ. Jagdalpur 61 kilometers. From 61 we have to go another 30 kilometers to reach Chitrakote. Wow, what a beauty, man. Beauty of the road. We reached Kotapad. From here Jagdalpur should be 30 kilometers. Another 30 for Chitrakote from Jagdalpur. Completely, we can't say it's completely urban. Very much rural. Now we are entering into Chhattisgarh. This is the checkpost. My first time in Chhattisgarh. I traveled so many times by train, but this is my first time on road, on bike, solo. Chhattisgarh Public Department welcomes you. I think this is the entry for Jagdalpur. From here we have to go in. I think we have to take a right over here. Yes, over here. Wow. Yes, this is the way. Looks like the city is pretty much old to this kind of way. Oh, आंटी जी कहाँ देख रहे हो? Only 25 kilometers away from one of the biggest waterfalls in South India. They call it Niagara of India, Chitrakote Waterfalls. We are just 800 meters away from the waterfalls. Feeling pretty much excited. Chitrakote, this is the board. आपका स्वागत करता है. पार्किंग का टिकट है क्या? पार्किंग 20 rupees for parking. So those are the Chitrakote waterfalls. You can go for boating as well, and they charge around about 50 rupees per person to max 200 depending upon number of persons on the boat. The river which is flowing from the upstream there is located at about 29 meters above the sea level. The name of the river is Indravati. So that's about Chitrakote. That's right to our next destination. So the time is 1:47. We have to reach Jeypore by 4 and explore Jeypore if possible. We are heading towards Jeypore. We are done with Chitrakote and we'll meet in Jeypore. As soon as you get finished with that road, you get this pleasant road with this kind of a view. Wow, Amazing, dude. Next level. आपका नाम भूल गया मैं. अच्छा, सिद्धू.
हाँ किशन भैया, अरे गुड इवनिंग. अरे यार थोड़ा हेल्प चाहिए आपका. ये एक हमारा दोस्त एक राइडर है, वो जयपुर पूरा शूटिंग करने के लिए आए हैं. ठीक है, तो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि वो तेलुगु है, जगदलपुर से आए हैं. ठीक है, तो वो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि 5 मिनट पैलेस के अंदर जाके कुछ शूटिंग.
Okay, so I got a local. His name is Siddharth. He's gonna show me way to Jagannath Sagar. Most probably I'll be enjoying the sunset over there. It's the oldest part of Jeypore. Most of this land is owned by the king, but yeah, pretty glad that they are planning to make the palace into a museum. So currently there is no entry into the main palace. This is Jagannath Mandir. Cool. Oh.
पूरा है चारों तरफ अपना रोड, चारों तरफ रोड है, आप जहाँ भी जाते हैं.
भैया उधर उस साइड जाना है.
क्या भैया, बैक साइड जाएंगे ना.
So that is the glimpse of Jagannath Sagar, biggest lake of Jaipur. So that's about it. That's about the palace. The local, that guy named Siddharth, he helped me a lot. Before it was restricted, I tried so many times. Even the local guy tried, but thanks to Siddharth, he made the entry into the palace possible. That entry is really exclusive for me. Thank you so much for helping, Siddharth. So on high note, I'd like to end the day today, day 2 of this tour. So that's about it. That's the end of the day 2. On high note, I'm your DK signing off day 2 from Jeypore, and the time is 5:27. Climate is little cold.